Alright, now some basic 101 stuff. First off, know that this is perspective view. And in order to get into orthographics, we hit the number pad 1, 3, and 7. Okay. Another thing is I have top ortho. Hit 5 and make sure that you're in ortho, not perspective. Okay? Perspective bad, ortho good. From here on out, that's the rules. You should also know that if you hit 1 on the keyboard, that's front, and if you hit Control 1, that's back. Not that we'll be getting into the back of things, but just in case you have it covered. So Control, like 1, 3, and 7 are just the reverse of 1, 3, and 7 on the number pad. We're going to be adding just a plain old cube. We're going to take that cube and go in here to the wrench and add a modifier called MultiRes, and we'll just subdivide that 3 times and then hit apply. I like using this sphere. It's technically not all the way around, but it's okay for right now, just because I use it all the time for box modeling. Alright, WER on the keyboard should be this. If not, make sure that you go into User Preferences, Input, and choose Maya. So WER on the keyboard. Okay, down below we have a timeline. Right click here, split area. Then at the very bottom, choose Graph Editor. Okay, so we should have timeline, Graph Editor, and then our perspective window. If you want, you could call this whatever. We'll call this animation. And we'll hit plus. This will add it to the default type of scenario. So if we went to animation this way, it gets this huge hot mess. Or we can go to our anim, or anim1, and we get this. So that's a great way to save out your just layout. Alright, now that we have our layout done for animation, let's go on to the next video and we'll play with keyframes.